Introduction to Maximizing Your Commute.
Every day, millions of people around the world embark on a daily ritual, the commute. Whether it's a short drive, a long train ride, or a brisk walk, this daily journey can often feel like lost time. However, with some creativity and planning, your commute can transform into a productive and enjoyable part of your day. This article explores various ways to make the most out of your commute. Turning travel time into learning time. Your commute is the perfect opportunity to expand your knowledge. Listening to podcasts or audiobooks can be a great way to learn something new or stay updated on current events. The diversity of available content means you can listen to anything from a language lesson to a series on history or science. This not only makes your journey more interesting, but also ensures you arrive at your destination mentally stimulated and informed. Mindfulness and meditation. For those commuting on public transport, this can be an ideal time to practice mindfulness and meditation. Using a meditation app or simply practicing deep breathing can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and prepare you for the day ahead. This practice can be particularly beneficial in buffering the stress of a long commute and setting a positive tone for the day. Planning and reflection. The solitude of a commute, especially for drivers, provides a rare moment of solitude in our busy lives. This time can be used for planning your day or reflecting on your goals. Thinking about the tasks ahead or contemplating personal ambitions can help you arrive at your destination focused and ready for action. Even a few minutes of focused thought can provide clarity and direction. Enjoying the scenic route.